Hi dear Pisces, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 10th till the 16th of August 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Pisces. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's say, we have the Queen of Wands. So this is somebody who feels like creating their own reality. They feel like manifesting something here in this particular deck. Somebody is feeling like some doing some kind of magic and make things work out according to them, according to their plan, according to their vision. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands as their feelings for this situation, or you, of course. We have the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Swords, the Six of Swords. My goodness, this person is feeling like charging on you, charging on you, coming towards you with some kind of banter or some kind of, this person is having something to say to you, and they feel like they should just talk to you. Maybe they should fight with you regarding that particular situation that they have in their heart, and then they are going to peacefully move on in their life. Then they are going to be at peace when they will be able to talk to you about a situation that's making them mad, angry, frustrated, pissed off. So they feel like, oh, maybe you're dealing with two people at the same time, and they feel like giving the piece of their mind or something. But somehow I'm getting the vibe that this person feels like you should taste the taste of your own medicine by what they feel like saying to you. They're angry, they're pissed off, and they feel like charging on you. And after that charging on your part, they feel like they're going to be at peace eventually after whatever they feel like saying to you or whatever they feel like doing in the situation. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? We have the Four of Wands. From your side, you just want to be focused on something stable, something secure and safe, something related to commitment or marriage is in your energy field right now, is in your vision right now, you can say. Let's clarify the Four of Wands as your feelings for this particular person or situation. We have the Hierophant, the Judgment, the Page of Wands. If you guys are married to each other and there is some kind of rift going on, you feel like sorting things out with this person and starting the situation all over again with a friendly kind of energy. Okay, and especially if you're pregnant or you're about to get pregnant, you feel like not allowing anything to come in between you and your relationship with this person. First thing. Second thing, if you're not married or committed to this person, you feel like forgiveness is the key. You should forgive this person, you should forgive the situation, and you should move towards somebody who can give you the kind of relationship, the kind of connection you want. Somehow, I don't think like you are fully done with this person or you're fully letting go of this person out of your system. You might be still open to the idea of healing the situation between you and them, as long as they're able to provide you the kind of stability, the kind of happiness that you want to have in your life. Okay, but something related to commitment or marriage is very very important for you, and you feel like that should be sorted in your life. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? We have the Ace of Cups. This person wants to keep their heart open, energies open to the idea of maybe healing the situation or doing something. Okay, they're pissed off. They just want to give the peace of their mind to you, and so that they can be at peace. And eventually, I guess they're going to be okay. Okay. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups as their intentions for this particular situation between you and them. So we have the Strength card, the Devil, the Three of Wands. Why people keep on mixing third party energies in their relationship? This person wants to move forward from the situation because according to them this is becoming very very toxic and unhealthy to deal with. They want to hold back this urge or desire to handle the situation in any possible way, because they think if they are going to open up to the situation with their heart, they are going to lose again. This person wants to play this game of I care but I don't, and mostly they just want to win the situation, not the connection, not the bond. And they want to leave the situation because according to them this has become very toxic, very unhealthy, and there are third party energies that are interfering in the situation, and that's making the scenario very very difficult to deal with for both of you actually, but according to them, for them especially. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Ace of Wands. From your side, you just want to have this energy of listening to your intuition as much as you can. Staying in touch with your intuition and acting accordingly. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands as your intentions for this particular person or situation. We have the Hermit, the King of Pentacles, the King of Swords. Why there are so many people in the situation? Why there are other people interfering in the situation continuously? Family, friends, maybe other romantic third parties, I don't know. But there is interference of other people, other energies also. So you want to think about the situation with every possible angle. You want to contemplate about the situation. You want to sit with the situation, think about it from every possible angle, then want to understand whether you should handle the situation with maturity or you should completely erase the situation from your life. You should completely cut the situation out of your life. This is what you want to do, and along with that you want to listen to your intuition for guidance, like okay, maybe you want to connect with a spiritual person or a guide or a healer or a person whom you talk to whenever you guys are in some kind of trouble, emotional trouble. So you want to handle this situation with a lot of what should I say, I'm not getting the exact word here, you're getting my point, right? But for the time being it's like you want to use your intuitive powers, intuitive energies, you want to use your experience of your life in order to handle the situation in a proper way. Okay, let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 16th of August 2026, Pisces. We have the Sun card. Okay, everything is going to be crystal clear right in front of your eyes. Okay, what's that? Let's clarify the Sun as the potential outcome. We have the Fool card, the Three of Cups, the Magician. You guys will be able to exactly understand what kind of connection, what kind of friendship, what kind of bond, what kind of a romantic relationship you want in your life. So I do see you, after gaining the clarity of what you want and how you want it in your life, you are going to take the leap of it with the universe, and you will start connecting or reconnecting with the people around you, and you will be manifesting a brand new chapter, a brand new reality for yourself, whether it's going to be with the same person or with someone else. But you are going to have this aha moment of clarity and understanding of okay, this is what I want, and this is how I want it, and this is how I am going to approach this situation in a proper way. And then I do see you, the manifestation game is, and then I do see you starting the manifestation game with this newfound clarity and understanding of this is what you want and this is how you want it. Good, good for you. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week for this situation, Pisces. We have the Hanged Man, the Star card, and the Sun card. Yeah, for the time being, just let things be. Your energy, your intention of wanting to be with yourself, sitting with yourself, trusting your intuition, connecting with your intuitive energies, and maybe taking help from somebody is really a very, very, very good idea for you guys, Pisces. It will help you to see things from a different perspective, from a totally different angle, and it will help you to contemplate on the deeper level, deeper energies of this situation, not only this situation, in your life also. And once you are going to have this crystal clear clarity and understanding of how to proceed further, then you can by all means go ahead. But before going ahead, take a step back, because this is not a failure. It's important. It's actually going to give you the growth. Sometimes, in order to have a strong leap, we have to take a step back. Yeah, that's one of those situations. So it's not going down, or you are not getting punished, or you are not getting negative results. It's just you're like taking a step back in order to achieve the kind of results that you want, and then jumping, taking a high jump. So yeah, okay. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Pisces. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like, okay? And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as a guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is, this is the sign. Sometimes we find ourselves in limbo, putting off making decisions or taking next steps towards something we are unsure of. If you have been searching for a sign that you should do, leave, or start something, this is that sign. This also means that, depending on the question you have asked, this is an affirmative card and a form of yes. Think of it as your green light to take action. Cool. So, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.